So in the early childhood pathway, we offer a lot of classes that are blended. And in those classes, we try to incorporate in some type of a online learning space. So in the past couple of years, I've started using Canvas as that tool. I set up Canvas to have every single PowerPoint, video, handout. Sometimes we do our tests on the Canvas. We also may upload our assignments, so I can grade assignments on there as well. So students have access to that at home, at school, during Commons, whenever they need access to review that material. So this week in the child development class, the students are working on an assessment. This assessment is an assignment for Fox Valley Technical College. It's a transcripted class. So the students have to watch a video of a student, and then they have to analyze that video based on what is the child's ability level. So they're looking at resources online, they're using our textbook. Then they're also looking at the Wisconsin Model Early Learning Standards and attaching domains, subdomains, and performance standards to that based on this video. So I feel that I'm a pretty organized teacher, but I also like to help the students become organized. And I think using Canvas is a great tool to do that. Everything is there, everything's in order, the students can find it very easily. So I feel that Canvas is a really good tool as an online learning environment for them to use. I do have students that do like Canvas and having the ability to access these things at home. Sometimes in class we'll go through the lecture, they might take a few notes, but now they can go back on it and they can redo their notes, they can review the material, they can look at the videos. It just makes it easier for them, and then it's at their own time. So the students also in some of the classes have a discussion board, and then those discussion board posts, they post out a question, or I'll post out a question, they put an answer, and then sometimes they have to collaborate with others in the class or comment to somebody else's post. So it creates that sense of community as well. And sometimes if I have multiple classes, all of the students are part of the same group. And then that way they're talking with people that are not actually in the classroom with them, which is a nice feature. Yeah, so students in the teacher internship program, they have to do a weekly reflection of what's going on in their classroom at the elementary school or middle school. So they are using a Weebly site. So every student had created a Weebly site at the beginning of the year, and then every time they go, they have to do a blog post. So they put those blog posts on there so that I can see what's going on, and then we ultimately can talk through those and share with each other. And their Weebly is out there for everybody to see, and then they document every assignment that we do and put those on to their Weebly as well. So at the end, they will have an electronic portfolio from our classroom.